Hey guys, Doug B here. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight either a factory preset or presets created by third-party creators. This week we're going to take a look at another factory preset. Open up your Axe FX3 to preset number 203, Undulation. Or maybe it should be said like this, Undulation. Anyway, let's listen to a little sample. In case you didn't see my video about the factory presets, they've been updated for use with firmware 19.04. I'll put a link in the description. Let's look under the hood of this preset. It has 5 scenes: plex 1 and 2, plex 1, plex 2, plus fuzz, and trem only. Besides the in and out blocks, it uses 6 blocks: drive, amp, cab, plex delay 1, plex delay 2, and pan trem. The drive block uses the pi fuzz in channel A. It's only used in scene 4. The amp block uses the vibrato verb custom type in channel A for all 5 scenes. The cab block uses legacy number 32, a 4x10 bass guy M160, and it too is active in all 5 scenes. Now the plex delay gets a lot of use in this preset. It uses both plex delay blocks, something that I don't think I've seen before. But what is a plex delay? Well, according to the Fractal Wiki, the plex delay is a dedicated effect block on the Axe FX3, FM9, and FM3. It provides up to 8 delay lines and a feedback arrangement for ethereal shimmer effects. The plex delay currently has 44 types available. Both blocks use the plex delay type in channel A, but many of the settings throughout the pages here are radically different. The plex delay is used in all scenes except for scene 5. The pan trem block uses the tremolo type in channel A. It's used in all 5 scenes. I'll play something from each scene and list the name on screen. So there you have it, guys. The undulation preset. My mom would be frowning at me and wagging her finger over such a naughty name. Sorry, Mom. Anyway, guys, try it out. Let me know what you think. Okay, now this Friday, we're going to take a look at using the FC controller with the looper by special request. Now, you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, see you on Friday.